Did something that's completely ridiculous, and if we didn't address it, it will become almost it will give the very wrong impression, and we needed to address it. And I believe now that we've addressed it, I want to believe that within the next 24 hours, INEC must go back and do the needful. Otherwise, they're creating a big war. A big war with Nigerians, not with ADC.
Chair, how do you feel, sir, that this was a member of your former National Working Committee who is coming at the heels after a decision has been made by your National Working Committee to dissolve and allow for the emergence of another one? It must feel really like a betrayal, if just to say the least.
I feel, and the unfortunate thing is, Bala was one of those who pushed, who even I sent to the north to try to push the brand ADC. And he did a fairly good job. But a temptations can come. And this government, they have this big budget that they call anti-coalition budget. And the anti-coalition budget run into hundreds of billions and so on. That's what is causing this problem. I know Bala for more than 3 years now, and I know where he used to stay when he comes to Abuja. But nowadays, he stays in the biggest of hotels and so on, and he moves around with the biggest of convoys and so on.
So you believe it's just a ploy of being used by certain individuals within the ranks?
It's the 200 and something billion anti-coalition budget that is working. I can assure you.
Sponsoring this anti-coalition?
The same people who are spending the same amount of money to go and lobby governors to join their party. You have 30-something governors. You have 85% of the National Assembly members, and you're still so scared. Still so scared. It's unfortunate. But the essence of this is so that Nigerian people will know. Nothing has happened to ADC. Nothing has happened to the leadership. The leadership is intact, and we've directed all our members to continue with the activities. We're doing registration, we're doing our congresses, and we're going to do our national convention. INEC, come or don't come, we are going to carry the same process and take over the villa. And if Tinubu doesn't answer our clarion call for him to remove the chairman of INEC, we don't mind, we can have him. It's good that this happened now, but it's sure that the moment we take over power and so on, which must happen because the ADC has become the vehicle of the citizens. We take it, and scandalous and criminally minded people like we have now in the chairman's office cannot be there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.